What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Nvidia stock, guys. So, wow, hasn't this been working just how we predicted? Today as well, we are still rejecting at that very significant level that we have been talking about, that above that might be a change of structure for bulls in the benefit of bulls. However, in this morning update, as I'll walk you through this video, bears are not letting Nvidia cross across the fence. Yes, bears are still holding strong on this, and there's a lot more that we'll talk about in this video for the morning update. I'll do another video later when the market has closed as well on Nvidia, so definitely please hit the like and subscribe. In this video, I'll be also going over other semiconductors just high level and show you around what's been happening. So it's just a morning update across all different stocks, and then I'll be doing individual videos as well throughout the day. All right, guys, with that, hit the like, subscribe. Sorry if I'm repeating myself, but if I said so, hit the double like. Oh, well, no, don't do the double like, because then it's gonna unlike the previous like. Like and subscribe, okay? And also, please remember, none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. I'm here only sharing just my opinion, nothing more than that. Alrighty, guys, so daily interval on Nvidia. Let's start off over there. So right now with the prices, we are still below 20 days moving average, and we so far have a red body. We did go higher in the pre-market, but it's not in the bulls territory. So let's go over there. Let's go to the hourly interval. So if you have been seeing my videos, you know the importance of this $891 significant level, also marked by my indicator. If you need access to my tools, links in the description below. I have two indicators, two trading bots, and Wall Street alerts. You see them on my videos. I'll show them around more to you guys in this video, but if you're interested, links in the description below. So you can see this level automatically marked by my indicator, significant level. I have been saying that Nvidia is still, there is no structural change to the upside as long as Nvidia is still below that. And you can see today as well, right? Bears just took it down right over there, 891. Yes, we are still in the, yes, I'm seeing that we have been forming some pivots. I'll show you that as well. However, the swing structure to the upside is not changing. We are still in the bears camp. We have rejected 891. Now at the same time today, as right now the market is still running, we are seeing some pivot formed. Is this a higher low already, Junior Trader? Junior Trader, is Nvidia becoming long again? Well, intraday, little bit, it has been using this as a pivot. We can see that the previous day, even my bot gave a buy signal there on, that was the, rebound play. Now here's the thing. These are just the rebound so far. I think 891, I did mention that I won't be surprised if we come all the way up to 891. We did that. Now the question becomes, is this pivot gonna hold? Because I do see a good demand zone here. I can see the wicks and the buying pressure that came at 862. Now the question is that, will it become a higher low and confirm the previous higher low? And will this be a new trend line? You can see this trend line is also matching the channel of the previous trend line. So, oops, sorry. If I just draw a channel from the previous trend line, it may not be precise, but it's going to be very, yeah, pinpoint. Wow, look at it. Look at this beauty, guys. Look at it, right? So if this channel holds, Nvidia has some room to make its way up there, choppy way up there. But it's not bullish. I would still not count it towards bullishness unless it's not breaking above 891. So in my opinion, right now we are still in the bears camp. It's just that can it chop its way up there, right? And if we close the day today losing this level of 876, if we close somewhere below 876 down here, yeah, guys, we are again fully bearish. So it all depends. If Nvidia can hold this $875 range, that's all what it comes down to today. All right, but yes, we are still in the bears camp. You can see those rejections happening, 891. Simply, we are still in the downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. I'll talk more about Nvidia later today. You can also see, if I take you to the 5 minutes interval, that we are still rejecting, like this is a huge supply zone again today. When we had this flush, this is again a huge supply zone. You can see even our day trading levels plus the orange lines marked by my indicator, precisely we rejected over there, another rejection over here in the on the way back up. So this was a bit of a rebound, and then we are selling off. And then yeah, so let's see if we continue to go lower, 875 and below, and close the day below, and then yes, you have a problem. Well, when if you are in the bear's camp, you are already making a lot of money to the downside so far, and we are still in the bear camp. If you are a bull, this is the only zone for your last hopes. Okay, if you are a bull, then you want to protect Nvidia in this area between 850 and 890. You want to get Nvidia above 891 as soon as possible, because once we start losing 850, guys, it's game over. Okay, guys and gals, it's game over. It's the distribution phase, and we losing it, and we marking this as a really top for the weeks and months on Nvidia. And on daily interval on Nvidia, we are still we have retested that bearish engulfing candle already, double tops already, supply test already happened, we have broken to the downside, and we are still in the bearish structure. Okay, so that's what is Nvidia right now. All right, so let's see if it continues lower, or 875 will be the dividing line between today and tomorrow, but if we lose 876, that pivot is lost as well. So okay, so that's Nvidia for this morning update. Let's take a look at AMD. So AMD, yes, it's a green candle. If I show you my day trading bot, which is different than swing bot, has opened up a position. Let's again, in the rebounds, I'm a little bit careful as well, even though these positions are profitable. You can see the previous one as well on the rebound was profitable. Today as well, we have a buy signal. We are currently in profit. I'm not sure if it's going to close in profit. I don't know, because in the rebound, it's always very tricky. So it's just size out if you're already in profit. That's again, signal will come eventually, but based on the patterns and the things, algorithms and all of that I have put in there, a lot of effort went in designing these algorithms, guys. And so it just depends. Well, in the rebounds, I usually suggest just take some partial profits, at least in consolidations, without waiting for the signal. But anyways, yeah, still on the profit side on AMD. So talking about on the hourly interval though, and guys, these are the tools like indicators, trading bots, all these are in the description below of this video. Okay, so we are still in the downtrend on AMD on hourly interval. As I have been saying that 173 and above, if we are not going above that, 174 in other words, if you're not going above that, it's bearish. Well, yeah, and we are still in the downtrend, guys. AMD might start to change structure if it goes above 174, but it's just so much working against it right now. I don't expect things to go up for AMD here. I expect much downside to pursue, and we'll see if this choppiness turns around. Yeah, that's the thing. If this choppiness can turn around, that's another question, right? So this was the play, and then now it's like, okay, is the next play gonna come below 165? That's the next leg. Right now, uptrend, I'm not seeing any uptrend. It's still below 174. That's the resistance right now. Okay, cool. I'll show you Broadcom as well real quick. Broadcom, I have a position on this. I'm still in profit. The second position, first one knocked me out, went in my stop loss. Second one here, if it stays here quite long enough, I'll size out. I want to show you SMCI as well. I'll do another video on SMCI, but it hit my target. I'm happy. I'm out of this position in full profit, loving it. SMCI, sorry if I said AMC before. No, not AMC, SMCI. Yeah, so yeah, I was targeting 50 days moving average right down there in this area and got that. I'll do another video on this today, but just wanted to provide some morning updates, guys. Let's see what ARM is doing. Yep, ARM is trying to go up. Just as if you have seen my weekend video, you already know I talked about it, that ARM has a possibility of going up because it has been holding these support zones and it has been doing that. Check out that video on the weekend that I did, guys. That will tell you everything that you need to know on ARM. Okay, cool. Okie dokie, guys. Well, That's it for this video. If you found it helpful and valuable, please hit the like and subscribe. Links to my tools are in the description below of this video. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.